Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on how to draw, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a guilty dog. Wouldn't you love to draw a guilty dog? It's simple, and they're fun, and people like them. So what's not to like? So let's start with big, oversized head, okay? This is not going to be a round head. This is going to have this kind of pear shape. A little bit of cheeks bumping out like this. The reason it's going to have kind of a different shape is because he's going to be facing down. So let's put some guidelines here. That's the center line of it. And this is the eye line, which is low on the head, just where the cheek areas begin. We'll bring the nose like here, put really anywhere you want, but a little bit in front of the face. Now let's start with big eyes to define this guy. Really big eyes. The guiltier they are, the more innocent they look. You dog owners know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a cruel weapon that works all of the time. So I'll erase a little of that eye line here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Let's just get the position in the right place. And he is going to be looking up, but he's going to be looking up sort of like toward the middle. See, looking up and to the middle. Like this, not straight up. And I'll do this over in black afterwards so you can get a better look. Okay, so let's bring this a little closer to the nose. Same thing on this side. A little tiny little mouth going down, a little lower lip, and small little upward aimed eyebrows. Okay, now let's give him a body. We're going to start just with the shoulders. No neck. Sort of like a salt shaker, or another pear if you like. Cut off here very small. So the head shape is going to be much bigger than the body. Let's make this a little smaller though. A little scruffles up here. I don't know if scruffle's a real word, but I think we should all copyright it. It should be a word, scruffle. It's so definitive. All right, so here are the legs popping out, the thighs like this. All right, here is the collar. And float a little bit of license down here. I'm going to put like a U or a V for the chest right here, okay? Like that. And here is the middle of the arms, and the arms come this way and come out a little bit. I'll make this a little wider. And now we can erase a little bit of that, but we have that defined as the chest right here. A little bit of a tail, not a long tail. Puppies generally have shorter tails. And now the cute part. They're really cute, as if it's not cute enough, we'll add extra cute. Okay, we're gonna bring the ears down here, like this, kind of mopey, like, oh, I didn't mean to get into the roast beef. I made a mistake. Yeah, sure you did. Okay, 1 second. And maybe put a little bit of shadow under here. And now we get to draw it over again, right? Okay, so here we go. Let's start with the eyes. I always start with the eyes when I do the finals because when you get the eyes right, the whole thing flows into place. If you don't get the eyes right, you may have to go start over again. That's just the way it is. So it's a little hard to draw for me with a thick tool like this, but it does look good when you're done, so I do it. And let's make it nice and thick. Nice and dark here. Bring this out a bit. A little eyebrow, another little eyebrow. And a tiny nose, all black. Oh, he is so sick. He just did not mean to steal from the refrigerator. If he had to do it over again, he wouldn't, really. Okay, here we go, this way. Make sure those cheeks go. So what's missing on the face? Huh? I noticed something's missing. A little bit of a bridge of the nose. Just a little bit. Let's rough that up over here. And let that go down, flop down one side, and mirror it on the other, which is kind of a nice look. A nice, clean, and simple outline for the body. And we're going to now do the collar, thick collar for him. Make it round, because it is round. Sometimes we make the mistake of drawing something straight across, and it kind of makes it look flat. When it's actually round, take nothing to correct it. And here's a license. And keep them fairly thick, the feet. Very short, but fairly thick. A little tail. And a shadow under the ears because you're not quite hitting the ground. A little bit of paw marking. And I think we can also add a little here. Nice contrast with the rest of the face. Again, you don't have to finish it perfectly, just enough so it's recognizable that these are the black areas and these are the lighter areas. And this also ties into the collar. There you go. Yeah, I think it shows a little bit more power that way, that is more contrast. All right, so there you go. There is your guilty puppy. I hope that you've enjoyed that. I enjoyed doing it for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and that I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.